Okay, you guys, so this is part 2 of the Angry Birds, and I finally built it. It might not be the right one of it, but I just customized my own. So, yeah, but here it is. It's supposed to be like this. And there was 3 toys added. I don't want to know. So right here is a house. Right here's a house. Right here is that. Right here's the box. Right here's like a TNT thing. All right, you guys. Now we're gonna shoot it. Okay. All right. And one just fell down. Okay, so let me show you. Right there, some of them just fell down, but that's okay. Let's see if you can do it, guys. 3, 2, 1, go! Wow, what an epic fail. But I only got some. 3, only got 2. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! Oh my gosh! Guys, that was super weird. And I also forgot this Mario. I now saw how it worked. So he has like a pullback feature. I mean, like a slinging action feature. You get Cappy. You put it in his hand, and now